All right, guys, y'all see what your boys got right here. We got the Stylecraft Master Deluxe King Saladeen Rebel right here. Your boy has been working with this tool for a little bit, so y'all know what we're gonna be doing in this video. I'm gonna be letting y'all know what I think about this tool. So without further ado, let's jump into this video.
Damn it, Tito. Another one? Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, man, so check it out. Like I said, we got the Master Deluxe King Saladeen edition of the Rebel. Check it out. So jumping straight into this video, man, check out this blade we have right here. We do have the Echo blade. I know a lot of people have been wondering if all the new Stylecraft and Gamma tools are gonna come with the Echo blade. I don't think every one of them is going to come with the Echo blade, but they're going to put it on certain tools, and they did put it on this Rebel right here, so it does come with the Echo blade. The good thing about the Echo blade is it has a nice crunch to it. You can literally hear every little hair being cut, and that's something I like as a barber. I like to not just see what my clipper is doing, but hear what my clipper is doing, because sometimes when we're detailing or we're blending, we really can't see it with the eye, but we can hear it, so we know that the hair is actually getting cut. So some barbers like that, some don't, to each his own. Me personally, I really like this Echo blade on this clipper. I am a fan of the Echo blade, like I said, so I like that they got this on this clipper. But moving on, check out the body. As you can see, we got a nice cover on there. And just FYI, guys, the clipper does also come with different lids, and I got them right here. I'm gonna show y'all the lids, just in case y'all have not seen my unboxing video. But if y'all have not seen my unboxing video, I will put the link down in the description, and I'll probably put it up here on the screen for y'all. That way you can check it out, in case y'all wanna check out the unboxing, right? But moving on. Other than that, the body is basically the same thing as a Stylecraft Rebel. Now, I know y'all thinking like, bro, why is Stylecraft coming out with the same tool? You ain't gotta buy this tool, you know what I'm saying? If you like to have limited edition tools, or you like to have collector item type tools, then you might wanna purchase this. If you don't, then you might not want it. If you like the Stylecraft Rebel and you've been thinking about picking up a new one, you can probably think about picking up this because it looks a little different. And if you are interested in picking it up, you can go to stylecraftus.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website. That way you can save yourself a little bit of money. I believe they're still taking pre-orders. I don't think that they have officially released this clipper yet. I could be wrong though. If I'm wrong, y'all let me know down in the comments. But y'all make sure to check out that website and purchase this if you want to. You ain't got to, but if you want to, use my discount code TANK10. Once again, that way you can save yourself some money. But all in all, man, it is technically the same thing as a Stylecraft Rebel. So I'm not going to talk too much about the body of it. Y'all can see how this thing looks on camera. What I will do is I will turn it on for y'all so y'all can hear it real quick. So that is the motor on the clipper, and as you can see, the light's blinking because your boy's been working with this clipper, man, so it might die soon. But we do have a noticeable hum to the clipper, right? Like, it's not super loud, and I know y'all might think it's super loud on camera. I think I had someone tell me even on my Instagram video that the clipper sounds really loud, and it's not really loud. Like, yes, it has a hum to it. It's louder than some clippers, but it's not really, really loud. I got a few clippers up here we can compare it to. So that's the Stylecraft clipper. Here's the wall vapor. And then I also have a lithium FX up here. That lithium FX is super quiet though. But as y'all can hear, it is louder, but it is a super high torque motor, right? I believe it's, I don't want to lie to y'all. Let me get this box real quick. I believe we got, what we got, let me see. 7,200 strokes per minute. So 7,200 SPMs. So just wanted to let y'all know what the SPMs on that was. That way, you know, if y'all was interested. But as far as how this clipper works, I think it works well. I've used this clipper for a couple weeks, like I said, and I've done every type of cut with it. I've done tapers, fades, burst fades, high fades. I haven't done a south side fade with it yet, but y'all get the idea of what I'm trying to say, right? Like, I've used this clipper to use different textures of hair as well. And I gotta say, all in all, it does work well. If you've ever used a Stylecraft Rebel, you know how these things debulk. You know how these things take down a lot of hair, and you know that these things work well at doing that. So that is a plus. Obviously, we do have a super strong motor on this clipper to help you debulk hair. Now, when it comes to fading, I like the way it fades. I like the Echo Blade. I like the combination of the Echo Blade on this clipper with this motor. I personally like it. I like the click lever, and I don't have a stretch on this clipper, but I still like the way it fades. Now, I have been using the Stylecraft dub guards with this clipper, and every once in a while I'll use my my everyday guards that I use, which is the Babyliss Premium guards. But I personally like the way the Stylecraft dub guards work with this clipper. However, my only, I don't want to say, I guess the only con is the Stylecraft dub, the half guard. It doesn't get it as short. It doesn't get it as short as I like it, so I have to use the tight guard or another half guard. But that's a whole different topic that we're not talking on this video, right? Other than that, I think those guards work well with this clipper, and like I said, it does what it needs to do. It takes the hair down well. When it comes to freehanding beards and fros, it works really well, and when it comes to blending, it works well also. Now, that may have to do a little bit with me because your boy has been barbering a good amount of time. I've been doing this for 18 years, so I can kind of do any haircut with any clipper, right? But I didn't have any trouble really trying to get used to this clipper, so that is a plus.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Now, I know some people like their clippers zero gap. I personally don't care. If it comes zero gap, cool. If it doesn't, cool. I can still get the job done. So I'm gonna see if y'all can see this blade on this clipper. It came gapped pretty closely, but I know a lot of other barbers would probably like their clippers to be a little more gapped than that. And once again, that is a personal preference. And I'm not sure if all of the King Saladeen edition of these clippers come like that. You know, so some may not. You know, that's something I'm not 100% sure of. But other than that, man, like I said, I think all in all, it is a great tool. Like using it, like the case on it. They have some nice other lids that come with this clipper, comes with the charging stand. Basically, like I said, comes with everything you need to use on a daily basis. Now, are you gonna wanna use this on a daily basis? That's up to you. Some people are just gonna wanna get this clipper and maybe put it on display or just keep it because it's a collector's item type clipper, but it's up to you. But you know, all in all, like I said, great tool. Like the way it works, like the way it fades, like the way it debulks, like the way the guards fit on it. All in all, man, it's a solid tool. Once again, if you want to purchase this, you can go to stylecraftus.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website to save yourself some money. But yeah, man, that's basically all I was going to talk about on this video. I don't want to make this video too long. I don't want to go on a long rant or just ramble on. So once again, all in all, good clipper, at least to me. Y'all can use it, y'all can watch this video, and y'all can create y'all's own opinion. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.